Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer Big Damage and TU-033. I'm starting off with IMK Peeleze as my base coat. And this is Bases Loaded Lacquer Big Damage. It was July 2021's Rookie of the Month color, or shade, or polish, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going in with my first coat and it's kind of jellyish, loaded with Shimma Shimma Hollow. I mean, this one's in real life, in your face, stunning. I do get to pick it up on film later for you. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Got to get Woody out here to clean up my mess. So there we go. We've got our first coat. And I really thought I was going to need 3 coats. But this actually only took me 2. Depending on your visible nail line, you may need 3. But 2 worked for me for this manicure. I'm telling you, the formula is fantastic. Having that free edge there. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat and get this one to dry down real quick. I am trying to wean myself off of this stuff. It's going to take a minute. As soon as that bottle's done, though, we're done with it. It'll be gone. Woody back again for another visit. Hi, Woody. Here's my swatch photo of Big Damage. Look at that bling. TU-033 is the stamping plate. I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout, my Monocle stamper, and my Beauty scraper. And that Monocle stamper is by Maniology, by the way. I just assume people know those things, and I've got to stop assuming stuff. Okay, I used this image on my thumbnail, and I'm going to put it on my ring fingernail as well. And by golly, you guys, look at that. I lined that one up pretty good. That normally don't happen for me. I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning the plate off with the pure acetone. And I've decided to do the rest of the nails in this other image. It's not as in your face. It's a little more, it shows off the base color a little more. You know how these crazy girls, these crazy nail girls think. I mean, you guys know I want to stamp all of them, and I just can't help myself sometimes. Most times. Okay, almost all the time, but occasionally I do just do accent nails. And I always do clean my plates off with pure acetone. I don't know if I mentioned that, but if you use one that's got conditioners or oils in it, it'll get it to where your images aren't picking up well. There we go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this off of my skin. And today it's working quite well. You know, some days it works, some days it don't, but I always give it a shot. And now that I've got that initial cleanup done, I'm going to hop in here with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Now this does have acetone additive in it. Kind of helps keep it from drying out too bad on the skin. And I'm going to top that with the smudge-free top coat, also from Maniology. I do have a discount code. I forget to mention that quite often down in the description box. And it will get you, I believe, 10% off of your order. There we go. Once that is totally dry, we'll be topping this all off with the Poshe top coat. Seal it in. Give it that glossy, plump look to it. There we go. It's so pretty. Gonna cap that free edge. Ta-da! And here's a little mani in motion. You can see that linear hollow peeking out in some spots when I turn my hand. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.